Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you 5 free ways to transfer photos from iPhone to iPhone without losing quality. Let's get started. Method 1. Transfer photos with AirDrop. Open Photos, tap Select in the top right. Choose the photos you want. Then tap Share. Make sure AirDrop is turned on for both iPhones and set to everyone. Then tap AirDrop and select the target device. You'll see the transfer progress on the receiving iPhone. And once it's done, the photos will be there. If AirDrop isn't working, try the next method. Method 2. Backup photos using iCloud. On your iPhone, go to Settings, tap your Apple ID. Then go to iCloud and find iCloud Backup. Tap Backup now to back up your current data. This may take some time. Once it's done, log in with the same Apple ID on the other iPhone, and your photos will sync automatically. Just keep in mind, iCloud only gives you 5 GB of free storage, so it can fill up quickly. Method 3. Backup photos using Google Drive. Google Drive works on the same principle as iCloud, but it offers 15 GB of free cloud storage space. Install Google Drive on both iPhones and sign in with the same account. Open Photos. Select the photos you want. Tap Share. Choose Google Drive. Create a folder and upload. Once uploaded, go to the other iPhone. Open the folder, select all and download. Your photos will be saved to your gallery. Method 4. Transfer photos using Smart Connect. First, download Smart Connect on both of your iPhones. When you open it for the first time, you'll see some on-screen instructions. Just follow them until you reach the main page, then tap the plus icon in the top right. On one iPhone, tap Scan QR code, and on the other, tap Show QR code. Scan it, and the connection will start. If you see Unable to pair, that usually means both devices are not on the same Wi-Fi. Make sure they're connected to the same network, then try pairing again. Once connected, go to the iPhone that has the photos. Tap Send Files and choose Photos or Videos. You can select one photo first, then drag to quickly select multiple, just like I'm doing here. After selecting, tap Confirm, and the transfer will start instantly. It's really fast. The only downside is that it can get interrupted if your network connection is unstable. If that happens, you can switch to a more professional tool like iCareFone. Method 5. Transfer photos with iCareFone. And finally, my go-to method, iCareFone. It's super convenient, fast, and works on both Windows and Mac. You can transfer photos, videos, and even files both ways between iPhone and PC. Just download iCareFone using the link in the description. First, connect your old iPhone to your computer. Then open iCareFone and go to the Backup and Restore section. Click Backup now. Then you can select the data types you want to back up, such as photos, messages, etc. Then you need to enter the lock screen password of your iPhone for transfer to ensure data safety. Wait for a moment, and iCareFone will complete the backup. You can preview the backup through iCareFone at any time. Then connect your new iPhone to your computer. Then in iCareFone, click the Backup and Restore option. You will see the option for the previous backup. Select it. Then click the View button to choose the data you want to transfer. After the selection is completed, click Restore to Device and wait for the process to finish. Once completed, you will see all your data transferred to your new iPhone quickly and seamlessly. That's everything for today. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.